Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a hair tutorial on this hairstyle. So if you'd like to see how I got this hairstyle, just keep watching. Here are the products and tools you'll need. A spray bottle of water, a dense brush, hair gel, your choice of hair oil, a thin headband, silk or satin scarf, and optional is a moisturizer specifically designed for curls. To start, I'm looping a knot in my headband because I don't need all of the space that this headband provides. I'm starting out on stretched hair and I'm spraying some water in it to give some life back to the curls. Because water makes our hair curl up, I'm making sure to smooth my hair up in the direction that I want it to lay. Next, I'm using some of this Cantu curl moisturizer to add some definition to my curls. Next, I'm taking my hair oil, which is Jamaican black castor oil, and focusing that mainly on my edge. Next, I'm taking the hair gel and basically smoothing that over where I put the oil. Next, I'm taking my brush and starting to create the high puff by brushing all around my head, making sure that everywhere is smooth. Next, I'm taking my headband, putting it around my neck like a necklace, and then twisting it around so that it's half the size. Then starting from the back, smoothing it up into that high puff, making sure to work really slowly and carefully to make sure that I make everything nice and smooth. Now I'm taking my scarf and wrapping it around my edges to keep them laid. Keep this on for 30 minutes and then you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, and hit the thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye.